Good morning, students. Welcome to social science class. So, we are studying about the chapter number 8. Name of the chapter is India, Climate, Vegetation and Wildlife. इंडिया का क्लाइमेट, vegetation and wildlife. Vegetation means all the plants and trees. Vegetation and wildlife. Okay. So in previous turn we have studied about the different seasons. And we have discussed two seasons of India. इंडिया के दो सीजन के बारे में हमने स्टडी कर लिया था. Two seasons of India we have studied, that is winter and summer. विंटर और समर के बारे में हमने स्टडी कर लिया था. This comes under topic climate. Okay, so there are four seasons: winter, summer जिसमें गर्मी पड़ती है काफी, and then comes rainy season. Okay, and number 4, autumn. Autumn is also called retreating monsoon. When the monsoon winds, which brings rain in India, they go back, they retreat, then the season of autumn comes. So, this is autumn season. So, we have discussed these two seasons and now we will focus on these two seasons. So, first is rainy season. कि रेनी सीजन किस तरीके से आता है, क्या इसकी स्पेसिफिकेशंस होती हैं, we'll study. So first of all, the time period for rainy season is from June to mid-September. जून से मिड सितंबर के बीच में ये रेनी सीजन होता है. फ्रॉम जून टू मिड सितंबर. Okay. During this time period, the monsoon winds came to India. इंडिया में आती हैं from the direction of southwest. Southwest की डायरेक्शन से आती हैं and they bring rainfall in India. इंडिया में ये rainfall करती हैं and a lot of agricultural or we can say जो हमारी जो कृषि है, दिस डिपेंड्स ऑन दिस रेनी सीजन. इस रेनी सीजन पे डिपेंड करती है. सो ये रेनी सीजन किस तरीके से आता है, वी विल अंडरस्टैंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ मैप. सपोज दिस इज अर्थ. This is Earth and here this is equator and in northern hemisphere this is the location of India. Okay. This is location of India. You can see. Okay. Then you know that this is here. All this is Indian Ocean. इसके नीचे Indian Ocean है. Here this is Bay of Bengal and on the west is Arabian Sea. So the southwest winds, these winds come in this direction. इस direction में ये winds आती हैं southwest direction में and they bring rainfall in India. Okay. And here are the Himalayas. जो हिमालय mountains हैं, these are located in the north. Okay. नॉर्थ एंड ईस्ट की साइड में माउंटेन्स आर लोकेटेड. So this season, the rainy season, is also called southwest monsoon season. Southwest monsoon season. Why this is called? Because the rain in India is brought by these winds, these southwest winds. इन wind की वजह से ये rainfall इंडिया में होता है. So this is called southwest monsoon. And how the winds are named? Winds are named from the direction from which they are coming. जिस direction से वे आ रही हैं, उन्हें उसी direction के नाम पर wind का नाम रखा जाता है. For example, we are drawing simply direction. This is east, this is west, north and south. And first we will take the example of this wind. This wind flowing in this direction. So this wind is coming from this direction. You can see here. This is in the middle of west and south. So it will be called southwest. So the name of this wind is southwest. Okay. And for example, if we take another example, if there is a wind which is flowing in this direction, इस direction में अगर flow कर रही है, then what will be the name of this wind? So we simply put here, ये direction ऐसे हो जाएगी इसकी, इधर से इधर. Okay. Then the direction from which this wind is coming, this wind is blowing, it will be this direction. ये direction हो जाएगी. Okay. Then the name of this wind will be northeast wind. इस wind को हम कहेंगे north east wind. Okay. So throughout the year in India there blows the wind. The name of this wind is northeast. ये wind हमेशा throughout the year बहती है, but in the rainy season the direction of this wind reverses and southwest monsoons come to India. India में आते हैं and they do rainfall. Okay, so this is northwest wind. And now we take another example. एक और example लेते हैं. For example, this is a wind flowing in this direction. So what will be the name of this direction? This wind. इस wind का नाम क्या होगा? So simply we see that it is flowing in this direction. It is coming from west. West से आ रही है. So this wind will be named westerlies. Westerlies. Okay. And if it is blowing in this direction, then it is coming from east. East से आ रही है. Then it will be called easterlies. Easterlies. Okay. So this is the naming of winds. You should know proper naming. किस तरीके से naming होती है. Okay. So we have discussed rainy season. Rainy season को हमने discuss कर लिया है. And now we will study another weather, or we can say season. This is called autumn season. So what is autumn season? When these monsoon winds retreat, जब ये monsoon wind इंडिया में rainfall करके वापस होने लगते हैं, जाने लगते हैं, they start retreating. Then the season of autumn comes. Okay, autumn. Or we can say season of retreating monsoon is called autumn. Season of retreating monsoon is called autumn. So when these monsoon retreat, the direction is this. This is northeast direction. So the direction of northeast, the winds of northeast starts flowing in this direction, and this becomes the season of autumn. Okay, and in this season, the month the month in which the autumn season occur, it is just after the rainy season. That is from सितंबर, मिड सितंबर तक बारिश होती रहती है, फिर उसके बाद ये ऑटम सीजन आता है. सो दिस सीजन इज अक्टूबर एंड नवंबर. अक्टूबर, सितंबर का भी कुछ पार्ट होता है इसमें, अबाउट half of the September and October. Okay, and in this season जो भी टेम्परेचर होता है वो टेम्परेचर धीरे धीरे गिरने लगता है, और द टेम्परेचर ऑफ नाइट इज लो होता है नाइट का टेम्परेचर, बट द टेम्परेचर ऑफ डे इज हाई. डे टेम्परेचर हाई होता है डे में, ओके, एंड नाइट का टेम्परेचर ये लो हो जाता है. एंड द लैंड इज मॉइस्ट, लैंड मॉइस्ट होती है, सो द एनवायरमेंट इज ह्यूमिड. सो दिस इज द क्वालिटी ऑफ ऑटम, दैट डे टेम्परेचर इज हाई एंड टेम्परेचर ऑफ नाइट इज लो एंड द वेदर इज मॉइस्ट. एंड ड्यूरिंग डे टाइम वी फील very heat. So this is also called October heat. October heat. Okay. So we have discussed all the 4 seasons. Now we will move to next topic. That is natural vegetation. जो vegetation है वो क्या है? We will discuss in the next lecture. Okay. And the climate, one thing more, the climate of India is affected by different factors like latitude, altitude, distance from sea, and the relief. By saying relief, we mean that mountains, plateaus, different landforms, these are called relief. So these factors affect the climate of India. India climate को affect करते हैं. Okay. So इसका जो भी नेक्स्ट पार्ट है वी विल डू इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास.